Great turnkey cute split entry home. Freshly painted on the inside with new screen door. Almost all the big ticket items have already been replaced in the last 5 years. Roof 2017, HVAC 2019, windows, siding all come with a transferable warranty. Home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, large fenced backyard, and an updated kitchen. Gleaming hardwood floors have been redone throughout the home and look like brand new. Home even comes with an outdoor fire pit, shed, and all appliances are staying. Nice location close to shopping and within walking distance to Claremont Elementary. Fort Osage Schools have been sought after for some time. Hurry fast before this one is gone.